Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got an e-commerce build that we built probably a couple of years ago with the Divi theme here. And Divi has got a huge update. They've just updated their Woocommerce modules so that now you can customize your cart page to your heart's content. We did this cart page, but we customized it using custom CSS. With the latest update from Divi, which is, let's have a look. I'm on Divi version 4.14.1. You can go to your cart page, enable the visual builder. Now once the visual builder has been engaged, you can go down and now you'll be able to actually edit each of the modules here. And instead of having to use custom CSS, you can go to the design tab. You can change the text color. And your header colors. And you can do all other kind of customizations. You can customize the tables, table background color, give it a different background color if you want. It's a little crazy, but you get the idea. Let's pull that down. There we go. And if we roll down again, you can do the rows themselves. See a row background colors there. I'm going to take that away and leave it how it was. You can even give them box shadows if you want each of the rows there. Nice little feature. Not sure I'll use it on this one. But you can make your image rounded and give them borders if you want to right here. These little images, the thumbnails right there. Let's go up. Let's give it some rounded corners. There we go, we've now got little round thumbnails there, which is quite nice. Okay, let's keep on going down. Now the one that really I like the best is being able to customize your buttons within here. So you've got your regular checkout buttons there and proceed to checkout buttons. And if you hit the use custom styles, you can go down and do everything you can do with a normal button instead of having to use custom code. Background colors, make that blue. And let's give it a hover color of a crazy green or something, or perhaps a purple. Let's make it purple on hover. And common to most Divi products, when you hover over the dark legending there, you'll see these icons will pop up. And if there's an arrow there, you can set a desktop state, which is when the mouse is not on it, and a hover state, obviously, when the mouse is on it. And when you're happy, just go on and you'll see the cart totals as well. You can do exactly the same things in there. Let's just get Woocommerce module up so you can see what's going on. I'm going to click to add a new module here. And if we roll down past all the regular Divi modules and Divi Supreme modules that I have installed there, if we go down to the new Woo modules right here and click on it, it gives us all of our new Woo modules here. You can add breadcrumbs, cart products, Woo cart totals, billing, checkout details, checkout info, all these little modules here, and customize the checkout and cart pages to your heart's content. I'm not going to go through it all today. I just wanted to let you know about the availability of these today and what you can actually do with them. So let's get rid of that. We'll save our page changes. And once again, these are available when you update your Divi. Like I say, I'm using 4.14.1 at the moment. I think it was the previous version they introduced this, but I'm not sure. So update your Divi and we can get this done. So there we go, guys. There's just a little overview of the new Divi Woocommerce modules that will let you completely style your cart and checkout pages. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. We'll be building some pages with this in future videos and we'll show you exactly how you can customize your pages. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.